What's good, man? It's your boy, Max B, a.k.a. Boss Don Big Belly, man. We here live, Harlem, Riverside, and all that. You know, Purple Shitty, Bird Gang, and all that. Shout out to Dipshit, Jim Jones. What's good? We here, we live. You know, this boy here in the flesh. What's good?
So how'd you connect with the Dips originally?
My boy Bruno brought my demo in the gym, like 2003. And he was telling the nigga I was nice for like a whole year and shit. So when I came home, I just was everything I predicted to be, you feel me? And then we went from there. I was working on the album like that week. I was getting on gym shit and all that. So it was a good look. It was a good look. I mean, everything worked out. Here, writing a lot of hooks, about to get involved in a lot of new future Bird Gang projects that's about to come up for this summer.